Okay, we're back in the shop, and the next job we have to do is, these are the front panels on our toy box, and this is supposed to have a window here so we can slide in a panel from the back side where this rabbit will be cut, has been cut, and that will let us personalize these quickly and easily. So I can do a batch of toy boxes and then come back and just make another batch of just the personalization panels. So that's the job. To do that job, I could build a fancy fixture, but I already have my index pin system here, and I've set a piece of waste against the pin, and it's 16 inches wide. What I'm going to do is trim it down to 15 7/8, so I have a true known edge, and then this part will simply come against that new edge. And once I bring these two edges flush, I'm going to be accurate within a few hairs, 10-15 thousandths of an inch. So that's going to be good enough for the window panel. Without any further explanation, I'm going to go ahead and run the camera, put my headphones on, and then we'll chat when it's all done. Okay, I've got my headphones on. I'm ready to cut the part. The part is going to go against this newly trimmed edge. The program puts the part 15 7/8 from this edge. I'm going to make sure I don't bang against it. Now, because I've trimmed that edge, I don't have to worry about this being left or right. It's going to be straight down the part. And all I have to do is get this flush here. So let me move my sanding block, and let's run this program again. Wait a second for everything to quiet down. Now, on the back side is the rabbit that we cut when it was all in a full sheet. Now, all we've done is cut this bevel. And if you were watching closely, you saw that as it went into a corner, it actually raised up and then came back down. That's because once it cut out the part, coming down here, it raised up and gave me a nice, crisp, sharp corner. Let me get a little closer. So I've got a sharp corner. You'll also see this is a little bit fuzzy. So my depths are probably not perfect, and this is not the hardest MDF. So I'll do a little bit of sanding and clean that up. So there's my part. My inset panel will go in here. We've got ourselves the makings of a toy box. Okay, we're ready to get started. The code is loaded. I'm going to hit go. I'm going to turn the camera off though and position it because we're going to work up close here, and I want to position it so you can see as much of it as possible. I'll probably break my cardinal rule as well and open the flap so we can watch it cut. Bee carving is more interesting than drilling holes, so we'll get started now. I've installed the panel. We're basically wrapped up with this project. This is ready to sand prep, get it ready to go out and assemble the final box. And we'll come back to probably one more video that just wraps the whole thing up so you can see it as a finished box. Thanks for sticking around to the end. Happy woodworking.